everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. I was thinking to do a makeup collection video. A little bit of what I'm currently using, what's on my vanity here, my foundations, concealers, because I had a big tidy up the other day, put aside stuff that I'm not using. You know, you put stuff, on display, and I thought, well, I'm not using that. So I've now just removed everything that I'm not using and put out what I do use so I can see it and I can reach for it. So I'm going to turn the camera around in a minute to show you what's what, and I think we're going to start off with foundation. Here we are. Here's Vanity, Mr. Bertie looking out of the window. I'll just take a step back so you can see it in its entirety. That's it there. Nice and tidy. All my foundations that I use are out. I put a towel down so it doesn't get dirty. Over here I've got my perfumes and my setting spray. Keep all my brushes there in used candle pots. Save your diptychs because it looks nice. I need another diptych to get rid of that. Shh. We're going to start with, let's start with my foundations. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I tend to use this in the summer, shade 4. I've got my Bare Minerals Bare Pro in Warm Natural 12. My Double Wear, which I love to mix. This is in 3 Neutral 1. It's a great mixer. It's a lovely kind of peachy shade, so it's great to mix with something more yellow. Then I've got Double Wear 2W1 Dawn, which is nearly finished actually. It's down to there. And I don't think I'll repurchase this shade because for some reason, every time I wear it and I take a picture, it looks really metallic and I look really grey. So I'm just a bit over this colour, so I'm going to try a new colour. Then I've been trying this, you know how I've not liked this. I'm trying to make this work. I've seen someone mix this with the Dior foundation, which I'm going to order. The thing I like about it is instant coverage, but it just doesn't last very well and it doesn't sit on the skin very well. You have to kind of mix it. So I'm kind of, today I've mixed it with this ambient lighting, which again, it's lovely, but it just doesn't hold up on my skin at all. So I've mixed them together today. So that's what I've got on. So we'll see how that works. Okay, let's move the foundations out of the way. So we've got here all my lipsticks. I've put all my Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks together. All my kind of matte lips. I don't know if you want me to go through the colours. Does that make... No, I won't go through the colours. If you want me to go through the colours, then, I will. Off the top of my head, Kim K.W, Live It Up, Myth, Mac Myth, Modesty, all my favourites. Then I keep my pencils in here. And then I've got a few more liquid lips here. These are really old. These are like Bare Minerals lip lacquers, CC lip lacquers. I got these off QVC a couple of Christmases ago, but I don't think Bare Minerals is even on QVC anymore. I think because they changed company, a lot of people left, and I think QVC UK dropped them, but anyway. Then I've got some, these are really old, Stiller liquid lips in Batchy and Caramello, I think. Then I've got one of these Clarins Instant Lip Light, and I think this is number 3. This I love, Too Faced Matte Melted. It's the name is Child Star, which I find really weird. I think they should have just called it Star Child, to be honest. My favourite lip gloss, Oh My Gloss, Glossy Cat Purr. This I never ever use, but I just put it out here. It's the NARS Stripped Lip Cream. It's too nude. It's fine to put over. Maybe what I've got on now, but I don't really wear that. This I wear in the summer. This is the this is the Suntegrity Sunscreen Lip Gloss SPF 25 in the shade Summer Fling. This, I love this when I want a bit of colour. This is the NARS Dolce Vita Soft Matte Lip Cream, or what's it called? Air Matte. Yeah, love that. And then over here, I've got my powders, all my eyeliners and things. I put all my concealers here. I'm really loving this at the moment. This is so good. This is in the shade 327 Cashmere. I'm loving it. But you know when you want to kind of revamp your makeup, you know when you're not liking your makeup look, that's kind of what it's been for me at the moment. So I'm kind of like looking at all the new kind of stuff that's going on. I'm not into TikTok, but when I like someone's makeup, I kind of make a list of what they're using and kind of try that out. So yeah, I'm obsessed with powders. My favorite makeup products are foundation, concealer, powders. I love this Fenty one in lavender I use under my eyes. I recently bought this and didn't like it. This is the Prison Libre. But what I've been doing is I've been using it after my setting spray. So I've been setting my makeup with another powder and then using that after my setting spray. Oh my God, what the hell's going on? Things just not annoy me today. Oh, right. Then I've got just some other lips. These are all my Bare Minerals lipsticks. I just put them there. So I've got my other powders, Laura Mercier, all my Bare Minerals, and my Vichy. And then over here is kind of stuff, that ad hoc stuff. Again, I bought this and I haven't even used it yet. These, I've got all my Bare Minerals blushes, my Hourglass blushes. Again, more Bare Minerals, concealers, blushes, my Laura Mercier blushes. I just keep them in there. And then here is like my summer lip colours. I recently bought this actually. This is Bourjois and I haven't tried it yet, but I saw it on somebody and it looked gorgeous. So I thought that for summer will be fabulous. I think it's in the shade Peach Club 04. My Max Factor lippies, they're quite nice. Toasted Almond and Pink Brandy. Again, a lovely summer shade. I got a little sample of this. This is the Lily Lolo Minerals in the shade Cookie. It's actually really, really nice. It's got a lovely creaminess to it. If you don't like the shimmeriness of Bare Minerals, this is a really nice soft matte finish. Old School blush, Dainty. Oh my goodness. Old Chanel. Oh my God, remember this? Mystic Eyes. Oh my goodness. Who was it? That Lorraine. She, I bought this because of her. And then do you remember YSL, what was it called? Something Tea. It was a lipstick. Sweet, no, it wasn't Sweet Tea. Oh, I don't know. Something Tea. Anyway, and it was such a popular lipstick and I loved it. Then I've got my sort of Benefit blushes up here. This has been discontinued and I don't know why, because it's amazing. But yeah, these are all my boxed blushes. And then here I've got eyeshadows, like single eyeshadows, like oh my gosh, MAC Uninterrupted was so popular. Laura Mercier Baroque. I got this because of Bombshell Sweet, do you remember? Such a popular shadow. Oh, let's open it. Can I open it with one hand? Just a gorgeous brown. And again, this is discontinued. But this, just all over the lid, is really nice. Oh, okay. This is my Chantecaille. And these were Rose Gold Luminescent Eye Shade. This was like the, look at that. Love that. Then in this top one, I keep all my eyebrow stuff. So, you know, boy brow, yeah, it's okay. It's not brilliant. I've got my Bare Minerals Strength and Length. I just use over the top. I've got my Browsings, Beautiful Brows, and an eye shadow primer. And then here I've got, oh, my throat is tickly. My Bobbi Brown gel eyeliners, my MAC paint pots, I just don't even use anymore. I used to love this one, Groundwork. Great if you're doing a smoky eye. Urban Decay Moon Dust. This is Diamond Dog. And it's, again, lovely. I used to love the Space Cowboy one as well. And then that's MAC. No, not Bear Study. I can't remember. Longwear gel eyeliner. Oh, gosh. Then up here, I keep just like my brushes, my sponges. Like, I can't keep one sponge clean, can I? All my Bare Minerals, my puffs. I've been putting my makeup on with a puff. So that's that little case, and it is it Muji? No, it's not Muji. Oh, I think I just got it off Amazon. So that's what I keep there. Then I've got this little thing. I mean, I don't know why my makeup's all over the shop, but it is. This is kind of like the stuff that I use every day for my face. So, you know, I've got my mirror. I've got my NARS Laguna bronzer, my Charlotte Tilbury, Genude, by Terry, my bronzer, my brown. Oh, I love this. I love this eyebrow pencil. Milani blush, Wet n Wild highlighter, my Delilah highlighter, another eyeshadow palette. So stuff that I'm kind of using on the daily, I kind of like up here because otherwise I just can't find it. Then recently I kind of got tidied up this drawer, which isn't particularly what I'd call tidy. I put all my jewellery here, all my Ana Luisa jewellery. I've got highlighters that I don't really use. This is all the lip stuff I moved in yesterday that I don't really use. Concealers that I don't use. Lip glosses, eyebrow pencil. I mean, I may use them, but I don't use them at the moment. So, you know, lots of concealer under there. It was just taking up space, you see? So I just thought I'd pop them in there. Then under here, I've got all my like primers, foundations, BB creams, just stuff that I rarely use, just to keep it out of the way. You know what I mean? You just want to keep on your countertop what you use. So I've also got some more foundations in there that I've put in, the NARS, the L'Oreal's, just, you know, again, a few more powders. Just to keep it out of the way. Nail varnish, not that I use. I get my gels. I had them off for a while, but then I had to just put them back on because I love them. So that's that in there. Then I've got this little drawer here, which I kind of put my bigger palettes. So I've got my Naked Ultimate Basics, which I've got on today, actually. I've gone old school, you know. I've gone old school with my makeup. I've got all my Naked palettes. I've been using this a bit. My Stone Cold Fox, which I love. So these are all the Nakeds. They just fit quite nicely in here, don't they? Naked Petite. My Bare Minerals, my Shade and Light, this Bounce and Blur, Becca, Stardust palette. And then over here I've got, this is where I keep all my sharpeners. Oh my God, Blemish Remedy. So old. Gerda Spielmann Biofond. Mineral Veil, this one's a big one. This is the Tinted Hydrating Mineral Veil, which I really like. Then, oh, Rich Vanilla. I was looking for this the other day. I thought I'd thrown it away. Oh my God, like Laura Mercier, why? Why would you discontinue this? What is wrong with companies? This was just like, so many people love this. I got this because of Lisa D. You know, and it's just like perfection. Why get rid of it? I didn't even know I had it now. I'm going to use it next. And then I've just got random bits and bobs. So I'm just going to put that all back. So yeah, that's my table. That's my makeup. Put my little mirror there. My little perfume station and brushes. So there we have it, a little impromptu makeup storage video. Just, I think a few of you've asked me before, and I have shown you, but you know, I don't think after I've cleaned it up. So if you want to know shades and things like that, give me some video ideas, because I'm just running out of video ideas. Like if you want to know specific shades, or you know, you want me to go through each concealer and tell you why I like it, or you know, anything like that, then do let me know. Perfume of the day is Glossier You, and this is what I mean. This kind of soft creams, cozy. This is the perfume and I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, so I hope you're all doing well. I will chat to you soon. Take care. Bye.